everybody, welcome back. Yeah, I know you're saying, whoop-de-doo, Mosaic, that's nothing new. And I know it's not. I literally ordered these boxes 1 month ago, and they just came today. That's how bad the mail has been. A full month, and these were mailed priority, and it still took a month. So, if you're wondering why I'm just getting around, I mean, I've already opened some of this, so I mean, you've already seen it anyway, but I just thought I'd mention that, yeah, I'm not still out here buying Mosaic, although I would if I could catch it on a really good deal. These boxes actually were on sale, which is why I went ahead and bought them again. If you've watched any of my Mosaic breaks, you've probably seen that I haven't had the greatest luck with it, but it's been solid enough. Definitely felt like it'd be worth taking another chance. Still haven't pulled any retail autographs out of here. I have pulled a couple of decent parallels. You get 4 parallels total. So let's see what I can do this time around. Maybe get somebody good. I don't think I've pulled a single Herbert rookie out of any of this. Not even a base rookie. So that would be nice. Alright, you come with me. Look down here. Let's open cards. Starting off with Kamara, who has had a beast of a game. I mean, craziness. Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, and a green Gandy Golden parallel. So a rookie parallel anyway. Josh Allen, Carson Wentz, Zach Moss rookie, not bad, and Julius Peppers old school. Metcalf, Marquise Brown, Jordy Nelson, and Stephon Diggs green. McCourty, McLaurin, Michael Irvin Hall of Fame, and a Touchdown Masters Dan Marino. Darnold, Peppers, Freeney, and Miles Sanders. For some reason, I had a feeling that was a rookie. And boy, was I wrong. Alright, Mike Williams, Terry Bradshaw. There's an A.J. Dillon rookie. That's nice. And a Flea Flickers Buccaneers. Why is this red and green? So does that mean this is the green, but these are just red? I don't remember these looking like this, but there's no numbering on there, so anywho, I don't think it's anything fancy schmancy. Cousins, Mayfield, Barry Sanders, and Darren Waller. Silver Prism. Last pack. Marshawn Lynch, Michael Thomas, Cam Akers rookie. He had a decent game this week. And Aaron Rodgers got game. So, meh, I mean, nothing to write home about there. Got another one though, so let's see what we get here. I mean, some of those base rookies were decent, but none of the big name quarterbacks. And no super great parallels either, so I'm calling that one a C-. Or on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give that 5. Comment below, let me know what you say on a scale of 1 to 10 for that one. We'll grade this one too, just for fun. I'm going with a 5 on that first one. Not terrible, not great, just right there in the middle somewhere. Tom Brady, Fournette, Butkus, and I like Denzel Mims. So Mims rookie, green. Curtis Martin, Jared Goff, there's Denzel Mims base rookie, and a flea flicker, Jaguars. Garoppolo, Kareem Hunt, Julio, and a Jordy Nelson green. Rudolph, Allstott. There's an NFL debut, Ruggs rookie. Old school Peyton. Well, that was a train wreck. Taysom Hill, Matthew Stafford, Cole Beasley, and oh, isn't this is one of the, what is this called? And it's Brett Favre, and I cannot remember for the life of me what this is called. I don't know if it's like super rare, but isn't it though? Oh my God, somebody comment below. I'm so stupid. Well, I'm definitely giving this one a better grade than the last one. I've been seeing these on Facebook, and I can't remember for the life of me. I don't think it's super rare, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Oh my God, I hate that. Well, as soon as this is over, I'll check it out. Whatever it is, I'm glad it's Brett Favre because he's awesome. Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Claypool rookie, that's nice. And an Aaron Rodgers will to win green. Yeah, this box has most definitely been better than the first. Jalen Ramsey, Andre Johnson, Allen Robinson, and a silver TJ Watt. Last pack. Give me a good rookie. Give me a good rookie. I don't know, I see an insert on the back. No! Debo, Riggins, Lamar Jackson MVPs, and touchdown Gurley. Well, I don't know. Let's see what this is. Mosaic just hadn't been my jam, really. Like I said, I love opening it. I love the look of these chrome cards. It's a great product. I just hadn't had a ton of luck. But maybe I did. Maybe that's wonderful. I don't know. Somebody please let me know. Let me know. Please let me know. I love you guys. I'll see you again soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.